In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile year-end account in QuickBooks Online. Year-end is the perfect time to make sure your books match your bank and credit card statements, and a clean reconciliation helps you close the year with confidence. I'll walk you through the essentials, explain what each screen means, and share practical tips to keep things accurate and stress-free. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and look to the left panel. Click on Accounting, then open the Reconcile tab. This area is designed specifically for matching your QuickBooks records to your bank or credit card statement. If you don't see the option, make sure you're using a version of QuickBooks Online that includes reconciliation and that your user role has permission. Next, select the account you want to reconcile. This could be your checking account, savings account, or a credit card. Be deliberate here. Choosing the correct account saves a lot of time and prevents mix-ups. For a year-end reconciliation, you'll typically be working with the final statement of the year. Now, enter the ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on your bank or credit card statement. Use the final statement for the period you're reconciling, often December 31st for year-end. Double-check decimals and make sure you're not including pending transactions that haven't cleared the bank yet, as those will throw off the difference. When those details look right, click Start Reconciling. This opens the reconciliation screen where the actual matching happens. From here, it's up to you to reconcile your account transactions. The goal is to match every cleared transaction on your statement with what's in QuickBooks. Work methodically, sort by date, compare amounts line by line, and use the checkmark column to mark items that appear on your statement. Small filters and the search box can help you quickly find a specific amount or payee. If you notice duplicates or something that shouldn't be there, uncheck it and make a note to review later. If something on the statement isn't in QuickBooks yet, don't guess. Flag it to investigate rather than forcing a match. Keep an eye on the difference shown at the top. Your target is 0. If the difference doesn't resolve, step back, verify the opening balance, and confirm that you entered the ending balance and date correctly. You can always save your progress and return after reviewing your statement again. That's all. With these steps, you'll complete a clear, accurate year-end reconciliation in QuickBooks Online and set yourself up for a smooth close to the year.